anchors are always so warm to welcome us whenever we come here, so we're always so grateful to be here. Thank you guys for coming to Iloilo to see us. Sana we all have fun until the end of the show. Thank you guys. I'm Vinci, I'm the leader.
Hello guys, my name is Sherman. I'm the main dancer of the group and performance leader. Wow! I don't expect that marami po pala kayong makapupunta dito sa SM Lotto, and I'm so happy na marami kayong pumunta dito, and sobrang saya-saya po namin, and sana po mag-enjoy po kayo sa performance namin. Love you all! What's up, SM Iloilo?
Yeah, guys, you're all definitely giving us the wild cheers tonight, and it is so fun. Let me tell you that it is so fun to perform in front of you guys. Kasi grabe, ang lakas talaga ng cheers nyo. Yes, it is our first time to go to Iloilo as Horizon. So super salamat sa pag-welcome sa amin lahat. We love you guys! Hello, what's up, Iloilo? How are you guys doing? We're really happy to be here, and I just want you to know that I'm Kyler of Horizon, and I'm the main visual of the group. Thank you so much. We love you.
What's up, SM Iloilo? Super happy po kami na tulad nga ng sabi ni Marcos, isa to sa pinaka malakas na cheers. Thank you so much sa mga cheers nyo. Super na overwhelmed kami. And I'm Racer of Horizon. I'm the main rapper of the group.
Hi guys, I'm Vincent of Horizon. I'm one of the vocalists, and it's such an honor to be here in Iloilo. Actually guys, fun fact, this is my second time here. And pumunta ako dito sa Iloilo a month before I auditioned for Dreammaker. So, yung Iloilo is like my lucky charm, I think.
Hello sa mga taga-Iloilo! Nag-enjoy man ang inyo gabi? Basta isa lang mambal ko. Basta Ilonggo, guwapo. Basta Ilonggo.
Guwapo, guwapa.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So once again, Horizon, welcome back to the Philippines and welcome back to Iloilo City. So we are mighty proud of you as Filipinos having an opportunity outside of the Philippines. Now that you're back, how has your comeback been? Yes, it has been such a fun ride being with our anchors because this is absolutely an experience for all of us. Kasi ito, day tour natin to, di ba guys? Day tour. And syempre, hindi yan basta-basta. Kasi na-extend na tayo eh. Dapat nung Cebu last na, but because of all the support of all our anchors, of course, ayan, nagtutuloy tayo. So sana hanggang bukas sa Bacolod and until sa Dasmariñas sa finale ng fan signing event, we still see you guys. Thank you guys for the support. There we go. And I believe you guys have something coming up, right? If I'm not mistaken, you guys have this new digital single.
Yes.
Na dapat abangan ng bawat Ilonggo anchors. Tell us something about it.
Yes, our new single Lucky is out now, so I hope you stream it on all music platforms, and also the music video is out for Lucky. It's our first digital single for the whole Day Tour series, so please look forward to the next releases after Lucky.
Alright, thank you very much, Vinci. And we have a wild crowd roaring right here. So let me ask you again. I know you guys want more, but just to confirm, Ilonggo anchors, do you want to see more performances?